Do you know human skeleton in chicken gun? Let me show you. This is a human skeleton. She go here and someone push him and she's gonna fall and died and turn into a skeleton. And the blood he's bleeding and the blood will wet turn into a skeleton. And here's I think there's a bullying in this map. The human is go right here and here see a skeleton and the bully will push him and fall and die. Wait, do you know base there? The base was blocked. Chicken gun block this. And we see a skeleton. Guys, I think creepypasta chicken gun eat the human I think chicken gun. I think creepypasta chicken gun killed humans and he put skeleton head here. And let's see. Wow! And wait, this have a secret there. I'm gonna show you the secrets. If you go here, jump it and do like this. And the items creepypasta found this and you have this secret. God, I'm stuck. You're stuck. If he will gonna look up, she's not gonna look down. Then there is a broken cabinet there. No. Wait. I saw something right there. Wait. Behind this door. Behind this door is nothing. And bye guys. Bye-bye, Yini.